Welcome to this video about GeoCmd. GeoCmd is a command line tool for running GeoStudio files. This is more than just solving analyses. You can also generate reports, export results, and much more. You can write a short script and use GeoCmd to solve multiple files. If your files have long solve times, you can run your script at the end of the day and solve them overnight in succession while away from the office. You also have control over which analyses in each file you want to solve, and it's installed as part of the GeoStudio application. You can find the GeoCmd executable file by going to your local disk, Program Files, Seequent, your current version of GeoStudio, bin, GeoCmd.exe. To run GeoCmd from the command line, first you want to open the command prompt and then navigate to where GeoCmd is located. You can do that by copying the file path from the File Explorer. Once you're there, type in geocmd.exe. Some text pops up that describes how to use it, what switches are available, and some examples. To use GeoCmd to solve a singular project file, you want to start in the directory where GeoCmd is located and type geocmd.exe. Your next argument is the path to the GeoStudio model you would like to solve. You can do this by right-clicking in Windows 11 and selecting Copy as Path. You may have to press Ctrl to get that option in other versions of Windows. Then I will use the Solve switch and press Enter. You can see it starts solving, and now it has solved all of the analyses in the model. Now I'll show you how to use GeoCmd to solve multiple files using a batch file. First, I'm going to right-click in my folder and create a new text document. I'm going to call this solve.txt. First, I will put the file path for geocmd.exe. I can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy as Path. And then I will copy the path of my GeoStudio file. These quotations in the file path are important. I will add my switch and repeat the same thing again. And I will add pause at the end. I save the file and close. Now I will change the file suffix to .cmd and hit Enter. This dialog warns me about changing the file suffix. I click Yes to confirm the change. When I double-click, you can see the command prompt opens and starts solving the models. And you can see that it is paused and that the solve is complete. Thank you.